Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change currency on Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To change currency on your Trust Wallet application using your iPhone, tap Open Trust Wallet first. Get logged into your account and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Press Preferences. From the Settings menu right at the top, you should see an option that says Currency. Tap it on and choose the currency that you're trying to change to from the list displayed on the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your currency for Trust Wallet application using your iPhone. Choosing a fiat currency will allow you to buy and see the exchange rate between the currency and the different cryptocurrencies available on Trust Wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.